Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Tiana here, of course. So today's video is going to be a fun kind of video. I know since my last video so much has happened. Like a lot of things have happened since my last video, and I wanted to sit down and do like a chit chat, but then I was like, I'm just not in the mood to kind of do that today. And I really want to just kind of get back into doing what I love and doing what I'm passionate about, which is makeup. And I feel like I haven't really been doing a whole lot of makeup videos for you guys because everything's just kind of been changing with like YouTube. I feel like since TikTok has kind of been around, like everybody's like more into haul videos and like Amazon videos and stuff like that, and I have those videos planned. I was like ready to go, but then like with everything with like the protest and all of the, you know, killings and police brutality and all of that, I just needed like a mental moment. Like my moments was quite long but I needed just a mental break because it was just a lot, and I'm back. Hopefully I can get some videos and content put out and filmed for this channel. Definitely a lot of ideas coming. And so today's video, as you guys can see in the title, is going to be a Dollar Tree makeup video. Oh, by the way guys, I am running my fan because it is super hot in here right now, and seeing that a lot of people have been going to Dollar Tree and making those videos kind of like popular again to haul stuff. And so I wanted to do this video for quite some time, so I'm gonna be doing it today. So if you guys want to see my results from trying to attempt dollar store makeup, then please keep watching. So first off, I am really oily, like so oily today because it's so hot in here. And then I don't even think my oils are going to be put at bay because I don't even have a powder, you guys, because I haven't been able to find one at Dollar Tree. So yeah. This is going to be a very interesting video. I'm going to just quickly kind of haul some of the stuff that I got. I just went there today just to pick up a couple more things and then some unrelated stuff. But most of this stuff I've had for quite some time. So I have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Color Mattes eyeshadow palettes. This is what this looks like. There's no, it's called, oh, it's Color Mates, not Color Mattes. And then I have this BB cream. It's in medium 1. I have no idea what that's going to look like. I don't have high hopes, and my expectations are not that high either. So yeah, I have this loose eyeshadow. It's like a pigment eyeshadow. It's really pretty. So I'm interested in trying this. I got some brow pencils and eyeliner pencils. They're just in like a brown color. I picked up this lipstick, but I don't even think I'm going to use this because I don't know what I was thinking. I should have looked today because they probably had like a lip gloss or something, but yeah, probably not going to use that. These are the eyelashes that I've been seeing on YouTube and TikTok that everybody's been talking about, and I was able to find them and they look really good. This is the number 68633. And that's how these look. They look just really natural and really good. And they're 3D faux mink lashes. And then this is the 636 ones. And these are a little bit more fuller. So I'm probably going to try these out today. And I picked up some pens, you know, some gel pens and stuff. I'll probably be talking about those in another video. And then this is the mascara that I picked up as well. I noticed that they had quite a few mascaras there, so that was what was in abundance. And then I also have some liquid liner, but I've already had that, so that's also going to be from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with brows. So let's see how these pencils work. So the pencil is really nice. Like it's pretty long, has the cover there, really nice sharp tip. I don't use a lot of pencils with like I would have to sharpen now because it's an inconvenience having a sharpener, having to always find it. Then if you don't empty the sharpener, it's like the shavings are all over the place. I don't use these as much as I used to, like back in the day. I used to always use my mom's eyeliner, eyebrow pencil. And you could also, like, they were dual use. I feel like now I just use mine for my brows. I don't really use it underneath my eyes. I don't know. Those look really, really boxy and harsh. So I'm gonna just take a little spoolie and then just spoolie it out. But the products went on really, really quick. Like you guys can see, I didn't need a whole lot. And you definitely don't want to be heavy-handed with these pencils because this is already kind of dark. I think it's in brown. What color is this? Black brown. Okay, so maybe that's why. These look very, very dark. So I'm gonna just kind of spoolie it where it's not too bad. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna move on now to the Beauty Benefit Cream Skincare Plus Makeup. I don't think this is going to turn out so well. I don't see it happening, you guys. Yeah. I don't even really want to show you guys what shade this is right here. I'm going to show you guys anyway. So when I picked up this BB cream, I set it, look, it says medium 1. You guys can see that. It says medium 1 up here. And then down here, I was looking at this and I was like, okay, well, if it's this shade here, which the light is kind of like washing it out, but it's kind of a, you know, I'm like, okay, this is close, because if it's a BB cream, I can kind of just use a little light coverage. You guys, medium 1, I'm guessing, is not what I thought medium was, because this is the color that is in the tube. So yeah, that can't even pass for a concealer. Like, I can't do anything with this without being blasted all over the internet. So I am just going to put this aside, and unfortunately there is no complexion products for this video today, and I'm like really oily, so I might just have to go in with like a makeup wipe or something towards the end of the video. But I still want to try out everything else, so I'm going to try out everything else in this video, and then probably at the end I'll probably just throw on like some powder or something like that, just to kind of like pull everything together. So yeah. So what I am going to do with this crazy color here is I'm going to use it as like an eye primer, because it's a light enough color, I feel like, to use as a primer. You see this, y'all? You really think I could use, do y'all think this is medium? I don't know, y'all tell me. But I've been seeing so many haul videos and people are finding like really good stuff at Dollar Tree, and I'm just like, sis, your Dollar Tree is really good. Our Dollar Tree is not that great. So yeah, this isn't even turning out as a good eyelid primer. I was hoping that this would just kind of like conceal some of the oils and just at least help be a primer, but it is not even doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this Color Mates eyeshadow. It's in Garden Party. I remember using these little palettes back in the day. Like anytime I would go to like Dollar General, I would get these little palettes with a little mini brush that just fell out. But yeah, so very, very interesting colors. I think I'm going to stick with these middle shades here. And then I'll probably use a little bit of the pigment just to see what we can get out. Picked up on the brush really, really well, if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to pick up quite a bit, tap it off, because I know it's going to have a lot of fallout. And then we're just going to go in. Okay. I'm actually not mad at this, you guys. It actually does not look that bad. And the whole point of applying that BB cream was to give it something to adhere to, because sometimes when you use really inexpensive shadows and you just go in, like, especially with me, because I have dark eyelids, it would have never shown up on camera like this. It still looks really ashy. It still looks very ashy. And there really isn't anything I can necessarily do because this is almost like trying to do something to tone it down, because I don't have a transition shade. I don't have any matte shadows. So it's really hard to use a one shadow especially a shimmer shadow. Like, I feel like this is how I used to look going to school back in the day. Like, when I didn't have any matte shadows to help blend, I would just use these ashy shimmer shadows because that was all we had for our skin complexion back in the day. And it was, ooh, child, a hot mess. Just like right now. Honestly, doesn't look that bad. It's just that if I had a matte shadow or something to like really help smoke out the crease area, I think that would be a lot better. I'm gonna just kind of remove it from going up too high because I feel like you don't have a transition shade or anything to go in the crease area. You don't want to go up too high. So I'm just kind of taking my finger, kind of bringing this down a little bit, because that way some of my natural color, the natural darkness from my eye, will kind of make it look like I have a little bit of a deeper shadow in the crease area on. That's what we have so far. I really want to try out this Shimmering loose eyeshadow with brush. So I don't know, it has like a brush on the inside of it. I really want to try this out. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. It's by LA Colors and it's in the shade Radiant. Oh, that's really cool. So it has this little brush that's just like in the inside of it. That's really cool. So I'm going to try to, oh, the brush is like really stiff. So I'm guessing this is supposed to definitely be like a packing motion, not like a blending. So I'm going to just put this on top. I can kind of see it. You guys see that? What it looks like now up close. Doesn't look that bad. What do you guys think? I don't know. So I'm gonna go in now. I think the pigment actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna actually swatch it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. This is with a couple swatches back and forth. So it actually doesn't look that bad. It could be a little bit more pigmented, but it's only $1. So, I mean, what do you expect for $1? Like, I don't think it's that bad, honestly. So I am now going to go in with the mascara because I want to see how it works before I apply the lashes. Really hard to grip my lashes. Like, I usually like going on the top. Like, I like hitting the lashes at the top. Well, actually, before I do the other side, I'm going to show a comparison just to see if you guys can see any type of difference. I see a little bit of a difference, but not much. You guys see a difference in this eye has on mascara? Like, I can see a little bit. Like, you can see it a little bit. So, no, it's not that bad. I'm going to move on. I'm interested in seeing how these lashes work. So, like I said, I'm going to try out these 636 lashes. So I'm going to grab some glue and we're going to put these on and see how they look. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the lashes and I think honestly, they look pretty good on. The feeling though, you can definitely tell you have them on. The band is pretty thick. So if you're not someone who likes a thick band on your lashes, then you're not gonna like these. But again, they're only $1, but the band is really thick on them. So you can definitely feel the lashes on. But once you get them on, like, they look pretty good. Like, and they don't look, like, this is how they look up close. I don't feel like they look super cheap either. I want to try out the lighter pair, these 33s here, because I feel like these might be a little bit more lightweight, but the band still looks kind of thick on them as well. But I'm hoping they feel a little bit more weightless. So I'm going to go in now with this. It was just a LA Colors $1 eyeliner. I've always pretty much paid $1 for my eyeliner. I used to get the NYC eyeliner, if you guys remember that one, from a few years back before they went out of business, I believe. And then I started getting the e.l.f. eyeliner, which was $1, and this LA Colors eyeliner is $1 as well. And I don't even really wear liquid eyeliner as much anymore, so paying $1 for it is not a big deal for me. So this is just gonna kind of hide that band since it is kind of thick. Just hide that band and give us a little bit of a wing here. I also will say that because the band is a little bit thicker, I noticed that they are a lot easier to apply. So I feel like thick bands are really good for beginners, because it's just like as soon as I put it on my lid, it just kind of stuck and it kind of just formed to my lid automatically because the band was so thick. So just kind of keep that in mind as well. If you're a beginner, then I would honestly really give these lashes a try, because they're going to be easy to apply. Okay guys, so that is pretty much, this is pretty much the finished look. I tried out everything that I got. I tried the eyeshadow palette out, the lashes, the mascara. I even tried this BB cream out on my lids. I guess if you were going for maybe a no makeup look, and you just wanted to do something like, I don't know, on the lids and some lashes, I will honestly wear these lashes by themselves. Like, I don't mind it. And the brow pencil is not that bad. I probably would just get a lighter shade, because the dark shade was way too dark, and you can get very, very dark brows really quick with that. So I'm gonna just go in with some powder and just kind of like tone down the oils on my face a little bit, give myself just a little bit of coverage. If there are any complexion products for maybe deeper skin tones at your Dollar Tree, let me know, because I want to see that. I feel like that made it look just a tad bit better. No, not at all. Not at all. No ma'am. Exactly what I thought, but I wanted to just try everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I thought that it was just a little fun video for me to come back and do. I think after doing this video, I want to do another affordable makeup look, because I have a lot of affordable makeup and I haven't done one in a while. So I definitely want to do that. I also have some reviews and stuff coming out from my last haul video, so stay on the lookout for those videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. If anything, try out the lashes. I think those were my favorite thing from this video. Let me know what you can find at your Dollar Tree in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.